All right, let's do question 15 for 2.2. It's about these spheres. So the question says surface area for sphere B is A units. Okay, so whatever that B is, the total surface area is called A. If it's 5, it's 100, whatever. The surface area of sphere C, that one, is twice. So its surface area is equal to 2A. This one is actually 9 times sphere B. So the surface area here would be 9A. Yeah, I just want to read that to make sure. So what we need to figure out is what the radius is. Find R for each of these spheres. What that really means is write an equation that says R equals, then whatever, so that we can explain what R is using the formula. So the very first thing we're going to need is surface area formula. So this is the surface area formula for a sphere. It's equal to 4 pi r squared. Okay, that's the formula I'm going to use for B. So really I'm saying that A, which is the surface area of this sphere B, is equal to 4 pi r squared. Okay, then I want to be able to rearrange that. So I'm going to rearrange that here to isolate for R. So really I'm saying the radius is equal to surface area A, whatever that surface area is, divided by 4 pi, all square rooted. Okay, now what we need to do is, the question said that if we're looking at C, okay, if we're looking at sphere C, it's actually twice as big. So the way I'm going to double the area is really simple. I'm just going to put a 2 in front of the A. The area is doubled. The rest of the equation stays the same. So now what we have to do is we just have to simplify. So 2 over 4 simplifies, right? So it becomes A over 2 pi is equal to R. That's the answer for sphere C. That's the expression. Now, if we do, and I wrote the answers up here so I could double check, that's what we got. Yeah. So now if we do sphere D, which is the last one, D, okay, it said that it's 9 times what the sphere B was, that original thing. So instead, I'm going to put a 9 here. Oh, let's make it black so we can see it. So I'm going to say it's 9 times the area. So that my expression would be just like this. 9 times the original area over 4 pi squared, square rooted. Now what we have to do is 9 over 4 doesn't simplify, but we can simplify it using the radical. So the same thing, square root, it's going to be 3 over 2 square root of A over pi is equal to the radius of D. And that's what the answer is, yeah. So this question is a little tricky because you had to write out, zoom out, because you had to write out the original expression. Then you had to realize to multiply by 2 there, and then just simplifying it. That was the hard part.